Make sure the water is not too hot, though. You don't want to burn yourself. Make sure the water is not too hot. So you will take this and you will introduce it back there. Make sure to push all this in there. Usually what I do is I will be pressing my stomach. I will jump or anything that I think I can do to help myself. Family, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about faith, education, and lifestyle. If you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and become a family member. Thank you so much for subscribing. Today I'm bringing a very good video. I'm going to be sharing good tips with you all, and the video is about how to get rid of constipation. It is not just about getting rid of constipation, it is immediately, instantly, how you can get rid of all that pain and all those things that been making us very uncomfortable. Anyways, without taking much of your time, let's make sure to get into the video. I don't know if any one of you ever heard or seen this before, but in case you haven't, I will make sure to share the link. This, I got it from Amazon, actually. Yes, I got this from Amazon. And it was only about $8 or $9. I don't think it was above that. But even if it was, it wouldn't be up to $15 or $20. And if it is, to be honest, it's worth it. So forget about the price. It is really worth it. This is helpful. You need this instead of taking all those pills and everything we've been taking because I'm being constipated and all that. This thing right here will do the job for you. This will take you out of that struggle, and I promise it will. What I usually do, I mix it. Honestly, you can use water, you can use anything you would like to use. Most people use just plain water, which will always work. Anything you use and put it in here to put it inside your stomach, and you know how you're gonna be putting it inside your stomach, right? Like somewhere back there. But yeah, whatever you use is gonna do the work that this is supposed to do for you instantly. But I personally prefer using this tea. This I believe I got it from Amazon as well. Or if I didn't, that means I got it either from Walmart, Marshalls, Burlington. However, the only reason I like to use it is because it's a detox. It's a detox tea, so I believe it's a good option to use it. And you already know how you do it. Like put it in hot water, and I make sure the water cool off, and then I will make sure to demonstrate so you guys know. I will make sure to demonstrate. Put it in here and make it work. Most of the times, whenever I finish using it, once I put whatever I had to put in here and apply it to, I make sure to give it about 2 to 3 minutes. Though sometimes it's really hard because honestly, it pushes you to the restroom instantly. But I like to give it maybe 15 or 10 minutes. No, God, that's it. 2 to 3 minutes to make sure that everything is, well prepared to push it out. But if you don't want to waste time, you can always go ahead and run to the bathroom as soon as you feel like you need to. But honestly, this is a great tip. Try this, let me know, and thank me later. Hold it, make sure to press it like this before you start getting the water. And the reason why you are pressing it is because you want to make sure that you fill it up. That's if you want to fill it up. So I go ahead and put it in here, and I always make sure to use a plastic cup And the reason is because I don't want to use something that I will keep in the kitchen again or anything like that, because you know this thing goes back there. You don't want that. So I make sure to use something that I know I'm going to throw away once using it. And you can see I'm getting all the water that I can get. Oh wow, look at it. So now you will take this, you will find a private place, your bedroom, your bathroom, I don't know where you want to go. Make sure the water is not too hot though. You don't want to burn yourself. Make sure the water is not too hot. So you will take this and you will introduce it back there. Make sure to push all this in there. What I do is I will be pressing my stomach, I will jump, or anything that I think I can do to help myself to digest the water, if I can say it like that. I don't know, but anyways, you know what I mean, you know what I'm trying to say. So I will do that, and as I already said earlier, give a few minutes and then run to the bathroom and release myself. You know how you feel after that? You feel relief, and that's what you want to do. Those teas that we're drinking and all those pills that we're taking to help ourselves, though they work, but it takes some time. This that you see, instantly. Thank me later. That's all about my video. I just wanted to share my experience so I can help those out there that are being constipated and make sure that we're all getting rid of that. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy watching the video, make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. If there is anything you would like me to share or any video specifically that you would want me to, be sharing, I can always do that. Make sure to leave your comment below. And do not forget, if you are new here, make sure to click the subscribe button and become a family member. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.